Regular readers of our blog will remember that last Christmas I gave Wayne a DJI Mini 2 drone. At first, we kind of did more weed whacking than flying, but eventually we got the hang of it and got her into the air. It was cold out, and we had a lot of work to get done on the boat, so we didn't pick it up again until now, August, when I decided to get it out and see if I could make this thing work. In many ways, I was kind of more afraid of it at first, but I started to get the hang of it and got it up and got to get some pretty good shots looking down on our boat. But the thing is, in the marina, there are all these masts sticking up. And of course, for landing, there's water, and it's scary. But practice helps. And eventually, though still kind of jerky, I was able to get it up into the air and start flying out over water. This is Finike Marina in southwestern Turkey. It's a small marina. But it is the Mediterranean, and it's pretty nice. The water's warm, and we go swimming on the other side of the breakwater every evening when we've finished work. There are some fishermen's boats along the other breakwater, and then lots of cruising yachts in the middle. There are Germans and Brits and one other North American boat, an American boat. We're now a Jersey boat, so I guess we don't count as an American or North American boat anymore. Mobius looks pretty good, and you can see why people call this style of boat the sailor's motorboat, because when you look from above, we're about the same shape as the two sailboats on either side of us. I really hadn't taken into consideration the height of this breakwater that we are docked behind. We'll be glad it's there when the winter storms come in. But this morning I decided, when some friends of ours took off in their catamaran, that it would be just a breeze, now that I'm so good with this drone, to put it up, fly out, and get some video footage of them on their catamaran sailing off. However, like I said, I hadn't really taken into consideration the height of that breakwater. That big stone wall that I was on the other side of. And I flew my drone out over the water, navigating simply by looking at the phone, because I could no longer see the drone. It was far away, and I was being way braver than I should have for the amount of experience that I had. Whoops, I didn't make the drone make that turn. What was going on? And then it started to descend. And then the screen on my phone at that point went blank, and a little message appeared across the top saying that I had lost connection to the drone. I tried hitting the home button, but nothing happened. Now, I've edited this because I didn't want to show you blank water for all the minutes that I was panicking, thinking I've lost our drone, it's in the drink. But then I thought about that breakwater, and I thought about the fact that it was down close to the water. So I headed over for the boat and climbed up on deck and held the controller aloft, and a picture appeared on the screen again, and it said I was connected to the drone. That was one of the best things I have felt in a long time, because I did not want to go tell Wayne that I had just put his drone into the drink. So slowly but carefully, I brought her back. You're not going to know how much my hands were shaking and how nervous I was in trying to figure out where my drone was, because I could see on the screen that it was getting closer to the marina, but I couldn't see it in the air and I couldn't hear it. And about now was the point at which I could start to hear it. And then I spotted it. You can barely see me standing at the stern of the boat in the last shot.